See, if we talk about bank, na, so bank basically in India can be. Tell me what is the purpose of bank? You tell me. What is the purpose of bank? Why banks are formed? What is the need of the bank?
Need of the bank.
Speak
See,
loudly.
all the members don't have a finance stability,
Hmm.
so they have a
Financial-
talent to produce.
They have financial institutions so that they can take loan and give the loan.
Hmm.
It's a kind of formal institutions.
Hmm.
Because earlier there was money lenders who used
Informal.
who used to do corruption. That's why they have formed what bank. Now tell me.
Hmm.
Now tell me. Bank and non-bank. Tell me difference. Bank and non-bank. Because bank who perform the financial activities and non-bank who also perform the financial activities. Then what is the difference between bank and non-bank?
Banks can accept deposits.
And non-bank?
No, bank not primarily doing deposits.
Then why? Tell me an example of non-bank.
Kapil Chit Fund, Sriram Chit Fund,
Y-
Muthoot
yeah,
Finance.
Yeah, NBFC,
non-bank.
non-bank financial company. Yeah. So tell me now, non-bank. Now see, if I talk about bank, so bank can be categorized into
Scheduled and non-scheduled.
yeah two parts: scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank. Tell me why they are called scheduled bank and why they are called non-scheduled bank.
Because they are scheduled under RBI.
Okay. And if a bank is under RBI 1934, then what is the benefit of them?
Benefit.
Yeah. What is the benefit of them? If a bank is under RBI 1934, then what is the benefit of them? Tell me.
Trust in the people. People can deposit more cash.
Okay. So tell me an example of non-scheduled bank.
Non-checking bank.
Hmm. Now I know you cannot.
Cooperative bank. Cooperative bank is a
No.
non-scheduled.
Subhadra Local Area Bank.
Huh?
Local Area Bank.
It is
Capital Local Area Bank.
Cooperative bank is a scheduled bank, right?
Which bank? Scheduled bank. Yeah.
Cooperative bank is a scheduled bank.
Yeah. It's scheduled bank. Listen carefully here. Okay. Now see.
Show me.
Now see.
Okay.
Now see me. Can CRR be applied to non-scheduled bank?
CRR will apply to all the banks.
All the bank. Even non-bank.
I am telling bank. All the
And
banks.
non-bank.
I think no. Because no deposits.
It is. Even non-bank can also follow CRR, but yes, they have to keep CRR with
Themselves.
yeah. This is the mistake. The CRR can also. Now see, there are different kind of scheduled commercial bank. First is, for example, this is public sector banks, then private sector banks, then foreign bank. Okay, right? Then regional rural bank. Tell me what is public sector bank?
Government share also. Nationalized.
And private sector bank?
More the share which is more than 51%.
Okay,
Is the
so
individual
tell me,
one.
RBI has more control and more power in which? Public sector or private sector?
Public sector.
Absolutely wrong.
Private sector because
Yeah.
it is individual one.
Yeah, yes, he has already asked this question. And tell me what is foreign bank?
Through FDS they establish it for
Yeah, tell me an example of a foreign bank.
Canada bank. Canada bank is a foreign. I don't know English.
Foreign bank this like HSBC,
HSBC.
DBS, Standard Chartered. Yeah, just name, just remember the examples. That's it. Now tell me an example of private bank.
Private bank.
Yeah. See, top 10 private bank in India. HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, Axis, IDBI, Yes Bank. They are all private bank. Now see, then tell me an example of a regional rural bank.
Grameen bank.
Yeah. Tell me what the purpose of regional rural bank.
Purpose of
Regional Rural Bank, RRB. Why they are established?
to lend money to agriculture sectors,
Only agriculture?
allied sectors,
Yeah.
artisans.
Yeah. Okay. Now then, what is cooperative bank?
Cooperative banks are formed by, like, those members are do crowdfunding. Like they who have a surplus amount, they will deposit there, and who have a deficit amount, they will
Share
get
to
money.
each other. Yeah, they will share to each other. Basically, their purpose is not to,
Profit.
yeah, but common interest. Common responsibility and common interest.
Welfare.
Okay. Then tell me what's development bank?
Development
Bank. Example of development bank?
Development bank, I don't
Yes.
know.
NABARD, Exim Bank,
NABARD.
CDB. Because they generally do not provide day-to-day loan. Okay, they give loan for the capital creation, like National Housing Bank for the housing, and a small industrial development bank for the industry development.
No, but will give to whom?
Agriculture, RRB.
Individuals.
No.
Only for banks.
Bank, yeah. That's what they are called development bank, na?
Cooperatives also not.
Yeah. So now this is. Now see, if I have talked about a scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank, so I have already told you that actually they does not need to comply with RBI guidelines, non-scheduled bank. But yes, they have to maintain the CRR, but with themselves, not with the RBI. This is very important here. Yeah, I told you. Now see, there is one more term: regional rural bank, small finance bank, payment bank, cooperative bank. Tell me any difference in them? Because see, regional rural bank is a commercial bank, but a payment bank, small finance bank, and
Cooperative bank.
yeah, they are not a commercial bank. They are differentiated bank. Tell me
They
why?
are?
They are differentiated bank. Do you know why they are differentiated? See, the bank which are universal, they are universal bank. But the bank which are not universal, they are differentiated bank. It means कि they have some restrictions. It means कि this much loan they have to provide this sector, this much loan they have to provide that sector. It means they have some restriction, na? So they are called what? Differentiated bank. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
They
na?
don't have a different.
See,
they don't
I
have a
told-
restrictions, na? Right?
They
They have restrictions.
like
Then
see,
payment
I
banks.
told you na, payment bank cannot lend
Public sector.
cannot lend money at all. They just accept the deposit.
Transactions.
Yeah, that's why PSL is not applied in
Payment bank.
payment bank. This is the reason why I was asking. Because their purpose is not to give the loan, but to accept the deposit, and through the ATM they give the money, return the money. That's why they are called differentiated
They
bank.
don't lend the
It
money.
means the bank which is not universal. See,
Manish, no payment banks not lend the money.
no, they not lend money at all.
But PDM banks are providing 2 lakhs.
That is not loan.
That is what.
If you deposit them, they will give you back. This is what. But they not give you loan. They cannot lend you. And in the same way, this small finance bank, there is some restriction in small finance bank. Okay, this much amount you have to give the loan to particular person, like 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, not more than that. Like commercial bank, they can give loan in unlimited amount, but they cannot give unlimited amount of money. Okay, so this is very important. That's why they are called what? Differentiated bank. Here UPSC can ask what are the differentiated bank. Then I have told this. Then the last I talked about cooperative bank. Na? See, cooperative bank can be two types: urban and rural. And urban again can be categorized in two parts, like multi-state. The cooperative bank which is prevalent in multi-state, and the cooperative bank which are operating in single state. In the same way, regional rural bank, rural cooperative bank, they are short term, long term. Short term means state cooperative bank, district cooperative bank, and primary cooperative bank. Do you know, if UPSC will ask, is there any bank in India which is not regulated by RBI? Absolutely wrong.
RBI payment banks.
Absolutely wrong. There is only one bank in India which is not regulated by RBI. If you tell na,
NABARD.
you can ask anything for me. Yeah.
Did you explain that one?
Yeah. This is open for you. Open challenge for you. You can ask anything, anytime.
Development banks, no?
Here is. Sorry, you have lost the chance. This one.
You didn't tell that one.
I told you, no, in rural cooperative bank there are three types: state, district, and primary. So primary agriculture credit society. This is the only bank in India which is not regulated by RBI. Otherwise, all the banks directly or indirectly are regulated by RBI. So basically, if ask them, please remember it. This is very very important actually. Yeah, because it has asked in the MCQ. I think in next IS. So that was very very important. Yeah. So that was basically the summarization of all types of bank basically which I told you. Cooperative bank, development bank, payment bank, commercial bank, all types of bank I told you. This is the crux of this basically.